Today we are building the Fantastic Four Galactus. Whoa, look at these pieces. And this is the instructions. Oh, it also comes with stickers. Fantastic Four. We don't need a Lego builder. So Mr. Fantastic apparently is in bag number 1. So there's a bag within a bag. Fantastic. Invisible Woman Sue Storm goes here. Now we have his niece. That's Ben Grimm. Okay. That's Mr. Johnny Storm. The Human Torch. The Galactus popcorn bucket. Like this. This is to cover his bum. Galactus with the Fantastic Four. That is Galactus. That is Johnny Storm flying behind him. He is grabbing Mr. Fantastic. He's holding in his palm Invisible Woman who is casting something on him. And Ben Grimm is trying to hit his toes. Look at this. And this giant dude. If you have any questions, please let me know. I can help you. Any guidance needed when you're assembling this guy. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.